Running a print-on-demand business manually is a heavy lift. It requires you to download every order, copy customer addresses, and recreate product listings one by one across different websites. The alternative is building a direct, automated conduit between the Printify fulfillment engine and your digital storefront. This connection manages a dual flow of information. It pushes your finished product designs outward to the store and pulls customer orders back in for production. We are going to establish this connection for platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or TikTok Shop. Before initiating the link, verify 3 things. You have an active Printify account, an existing storefront, and the administrator login credentials for that store. Log into both platforms and keep them open in adjacent browser tabs for a seamless transition. Preparing your workspace this way prevents connection timeouts during the critical authorization phase. To start, navigate to the main menu inside your Printify dashboard. Locate the section labeled My Stores and click the Add New Store button. This action opens a menu showing all compatible external sales platforms. Select your specific platform and click the Connect button. If a new window doesn't appear, the most likely cause is a silent browser pop-up blocker. Check your browser's address bar for an alert icon and choose to allow pop-ups for Printify. Bypassing this blocker is necessary to reach the secure login portal, where the 2 platforms negotiate their connection. The pop-up window that appears belongs to your external sales platform, not Printify. Enter your storefront credentials here to verify your identity to the platform. Once logged in, a permission request provides the technical authorization to exchange information. Approving this allows Printify to push data, automatically creating new product listings. It also grants authority to pull data, retrieving customer orders so fulfillment begins immediately. Review these access levels and click Approve or Allow to finalize the link. Without these specific permissions, the automated pipeline cannot function and the integration will fail to sync. After the sync is complete, you will return to Printify. Take a moment to name the connection. Using a clear naming convention is essential for organization, especially if you later decide to manage several different storefronts from this single account. To confirm everything is working, check the My Stores dashboard for an active status indicator. Your dashboard has now shifted from an empty workspace to a connected ecosystem. The manual work of copying addresses and product details is now replaced by a frictionless, automated data flow. You can now use this active conduit to design your first product and publish it directly to your shop. Your store is no longer a standalone site. It is an active node in a global, automated fulfillment network.